Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by preparing both devices, remove the batteries and inspect for corrosion so contacts can conduct. Next, power cycle the Google TV, unplug it for 30 seconds, then plug back in because a reset clears temporary faults. Once done, attempt pairing immediately. Press and hold back plus home for 10 seconds on the remote or use the small pairing button if present. This initiates Bluetooth/IR sync. You do this now to force a fresh connection and eliminate simple failures. If first pairing didn't stick, use the Google TV app to pair, open the app, follow the on-screen pairing flow, and enter any PIN shown. You should also check for wireless interference, turn off or move other Bluetooth and infrared devices nearby, because they compete for signals. Replace batteries with fresh Hydrain alkaline or NiMH rechargeables to ensure stable voltage. Once the app confirms pairing, test navigation. If inputs lag, make sure distance is under 2 meters, and there are no large obstacles. To finish, perform a factory reset of the remote only if pairing and fresh batteries fail. Hold the reset sequence described in your manual until LEDs flash, because that clears firmware-level faults. Once reset, pair again and verify every button. If problems persist, isolate whether the TV or remote is faulty by using an external universal remote or a USB keyboard. That tells you where the fault lies. If the remote still fails, contact support or arrange a warranty replacement. Keeping your purchase details speeds the process.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.